cherished viewers, welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Today you can watch my video. Remember to subscribe. If you just a bear Ghana cake, a bear is 250 gram butter, half cup sugar. Now the good cake mixture, no whipped creamy. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Okra description box now. Ingredients in there. O the 4 egg, vanilla. Now I call soy egg creamy. Me put much in the can I will share my video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. We be a notification bell no. Send the video be better I was sabeka. All the 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder. No akoso egg creamy. O creamy kakra repair. Now the half cup milk aka ho. 3 tablespoons sweet condensed milk. No akoso egg creamy. I am ready. No I got to go prepare cake pan. We are baking 180 degrees for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, no, weji, 1 manajo, and san was serve. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Me area na me tasty and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our Ghana cake. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.